Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to easily fix headphones not detected on your HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra. So first, we're gonna talk about the USB-C headphones. So now, the first thing I would do is clean the charging port because dust can block the connection. So as you guys can see, we've got our charging port right here. Now I do not see any dirt in it, and I feel like this is because this phone is brand new, but after some time you might actually have the dust that may be blocking that connection. So after that, I would restart the phone, but I'll get back to that later. So if you're using an adapter and you're using USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack, then I would recommend using either an original adapter or the certified one, because the adapters that are low quality, they may just break down one day and you may think that it's your headphones, but it's actually the adapter. So you guys can also test another pair of headphones, and you guys can test a different adapter, you guys can test a different pair of headphones with the adapter, you guys can test a different USB-C headphones, and that's basically what you guys can do for the USB-C stuff. Now, moving on to the Bluetooth headphones. First, I would go into the settings, now scroll until I see Bluetooth right up top, and if the Bluetooth is enabled, then I would disable it. And now we just need to wait for a couple of seconds. So I'll enable it again, and after that, if there's still some issues, I would forget and repair the headphones. So if you've got your headphones right here, then what you guys can do is forget them and just repair them. So the pairing looks pretty much similar to every single headphone, but it's still different, so you guys need to do it on your own. Now after that, I would recommend charging the headphones fully. So if they are still not connecting or they are just not detected, then I would recommend charging the headphones fully, because once I had the situation when I charged my headphones to around 70 or 80% and they just didn't connect to my phone. But when I charged them up to 100, including the case, then they paired no problem. So at the last resort, I would recommend checking for software updates and restarting your device. So first, we're going to restart the device. This is what I wanted to do for the USB-C stuff, but now we're back to the Bluetooth. Here we can also restart the device. So let's press restart after holding the power button. And now all we have to do is wait for the phone to turn back on. So I'll see you guys in a second. So now after the restart, let's go over to the settings and check for the software updates. So we need to scroll down until we see system and updates. Now go to the software update, and here it will check automatically if we have the latest version of the software. As you guys can see, I do, but if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it, because it can fix a lot of glitches, including this one. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.